What are the common signs of a faulty Honeywell thermostat?
Hello and welcome to our video today. We're going to be discussing a common household issue, a faulty Honeywell thermostat. It's crucial to identify potential problems early on to prevent discomfort or expensive repairs. In this video, we'll talk about the common signs that your Honeywell thermostat might be faulty.
What is the thermostat not turning on or off?
One of the first and most obvious signs of a faulty thermostat is when it does not turn on or off as expected. If your thermostat isn't turning on at all, this could mean there's a problem with the power supply. On the other hand, if your heating or cooling system isn't turning off when it should, this could be a sign that your thermostat isn't correctly reading or controlling the temperature.
Are there inaccurate temperature readings?
Next, another major sign that there may be something wrong with your thermostat is if you notice inconsistent or inaccurate temperature readings. Your Honeywell thermostat should be able to accurately detect and display the current temperature in your home. If the readings you're seeing don't match up with how warm or cold it feels, this could be an indication of a problem.
Is the display not working?
Another common sign of a faulty Honeywell thermostat is a malfunctioning display. You might see a blank screen, faded numbers, or even a constant low battery signal even after you've replaced the batteries. These issues might suggest that your thermostat's display is faulty and needs attention.
Does the thermostat not respond to changed settings?
Lastly, if you're changing the settings on your thermostat but not seeing any response in your home's temperature, this could be a sign of a faulty thermostat. Your thermostat should respond to changed settings almost immediately, adjusting the temperature of your home accordingly. If this isn't happening, there could be a fault in the communication between your thermostat and your HVAC system. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that this has been a useful guide in identifying common signs of a faulty Honeywell thermostat. Remember, if you're experiencing any of these issues, it's important to consult with a professional to ensure your home's HVAC system is functioning properly. Until next time, stay safe and comfortable in your homes.